What's up, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to make your own project. And this is part one of the series. This is how I set up the backend, basically, so you can get the whole idea. I'm gonna show you how to edit the battle pass prices, how to change the Discord commands, how to configure it properly, how to change everything. It's basically just an advanced getting tutorial. I only recommend this backend. We're gonna use it for chapter 1 to chapter 3. I mean, it supports chapter 1 to chapter 5, but it's just the matchmaker and some bugs. So, yeah. So let's just get straight to the point. So, yeah, first, of course, you'll need the better reload backend. This is a fork of the reload backend that you might have seen in other tutorials, but it's just better, of course. Hence the name Better Reload. It has better support, and yeah. Credits to Benzi for his backend and Berlon, the original creator of this. You'll also need Node.js. Download the MSI. MongoDB Compass. This one specifically, Compass Download UI. I'll leave the direct download to this in the description. You also need Admin VPN for hosting. And yeah, let me just make a new folder. Tutorial. Yeah, so basically just go into code here and download the zip. Then just extract the backend that we're gonna use today. Oh, and you also need Tellurium, which is gonna be your redirect. If you have a launcher that supports DO injection and you know how to do it, just use Tellurium to redirect it. Credit Supplution Andrew for this, creating this. I'm gonna just move on with the backend for now, but you also need Visual Studio's Insiders or whatever you want, maybe Studio Code with the latest build tools. Also leave a link to this. So let's close this out. And preferably I use Visual Studio Code just to edit stuff. Yeah, VS Code just to edit stuff and search stuff better. Okay, so before we go on to the backend, you'll need to create a new Discord server. Already did. Now you'll need to go to Discord developer portal. You just hit this one probably, I think. Yep. And you're gonna go to applications and hit new application, and then just name it whatever you want. Just put it manager. Just confirm that. Okay, so now here's your bot. You can add the icon here, but basically this is gonna be the main bot profile. Its profile picture, the banner, and its username. Okay, so now we need to give this bot some permissions. Just basically go to, I think, yeah, bot. Scroll down, go to presence intent, turn that on. Server members intent, turn that on. Message content intent, and turn that on. Well, I just do this. I don't know. I just do this for some reason. I just like doing it just in case. Yeah, just save changes. So now we need. Let me just change the bots before it's a recheck. Correct. Okay, so now we'll need to invite the bot and give it permission. So basically, you just go to OAuth2, I believe. Mark bot, and then you can also do RPC just in case I don't know. Then administrator to give it admin perms. Then just copy your bot link and just paste in the server. I guess then you can just delete it. Just add your bot, add a bot to server, create commands, authorize. Just delete this. And here your bot has been added, as you can see. And now we're going to move on to the backend configuration. Okay, so now you just basically go to config folder and config.json, Discord ID. Just copy and paste your Discord ID. You need developer mode for this, so just go developer mode, developer here, developer mode, and turn that on so you can copy Discord IDs and stuff, other features. Just copy that, paste it in Discord ID one like this. Just delete it, put it there. You can leave this as it is, or you if you want to add more mods, just put the ID there, comma this. You can just paste another one. You can just paste infinite Discord IDs. Okay, so here, use bot. Of course, we're gonna use a Discord bot. Player count, it's kind of buggy. I'll see if I can personally fix this and show it to you guys. 3551 is the default port we're gonna use today. API key. I'll show you how to make an API key for V-Bucks and kills on wins. Site. Okay, I'll show you how to do this also because this one has an interesting leaderboard site that you can edit. Let me just check it out real quick. Yeah, this one has a leaderboard site. You can edit yourself. I'm not gonna show you how to do that. So okay, so now we're gonna need our Discord bot token. So just go to bot again, reset token, and reset your bot's token. As you put my OAuth code. Yeah, just copy it here from here. Paste it right in there. Okay, so now let's just edit our Mongo database. I'm gonna just rename it to skate 12. Just copy this in case. I mean, we're gonna use it right now. If you want website, client ID is basically your Discord bot's ID. I mean, client ID. You can just copy it from OAuth 2. Just copy it. Delete that. Paste it right in there. Client secret. Just reset it. Copy it. Paste it right in there. And for this, it's basically either gonna be your VPS IP with the port, or your admin IP, which is what I'm gonna use. Make it port 880. And then we're gonna copy this. If you wanna like activate the site, just copy it. Don't copy these hyphens on them. So just go to bot. Let me see. Forgot. Oh yeah, installation. No, wait. My bad, guys. I forgot. Uh. Oh yeah, it's OAuth 2. Just go redirects, add redirect, and paste that in there, and save changes. Okay, so now you're gonna want to edit this to your admin IP. Just open up your admin VPN. Copy that ID address. I mean IP address. Paste that right in there. Just for the game server, which I'll show you how to set up basically, I think, or just how to get one. This is the default port, or you can just configure also. Let me just set these. Enable battle pass. Set the true and your version. Disclaimer: this does not work on every single version. You're gonna have to do some edits yourself. Caldera server, this for basically chapter 3 builds, I believe. Anything over chapter 3 to chapter 5. You can just search up the support versions. If you're doing anything over chapter 3, just enable it for version. If it's supported, of course, and GUI IDs. This is just events. I'm not gonna show you how to do this because it's pretty boring. Backend status, don't mainly. Enable reports channel. You can just create a private reports channel. This is not gonna be private, but it's just an example report. Just right click on it, copy channel ID, go up, paste that in between, and set it to true. Because drop date, I forgot how this works, so I just show it to you another day. This is also useful. And yeah, this basically is. So now we're just gonna test this. Just go here. Either do just open a command prompt in general. And go into the search bar and type command to open one in the folder, and just do npm i pmi, or if you have bun install, which is kind of better, but this is just the default. You can just install bun, and then you can do bun I, and yeah, it installs the packages required, and then you can just start the backend right here. And as you can see, it should now connect to your Mongo. If it errored and failed to connect to your Mongo, just go into MongoDB Compass and check this out. Just go to your database, copy it, go to add new connection, paste the URI there, connect. It should connect. If you get an error, I recommend searching it up on YouTube because it means Mongo is not running as a service, which is bad. Yeah. This is now the bots up, and the commands should show up. I'm going to refresh my Discord by fully shutting it down so the commands can refresh. And the website, of course. So just copy your, or just put your admin IP. Just test it out here. 8080 should show up. Like, yep, this default site. I recommend not using this. Just go to 8080 leaderboard, and here it shows the actual leaderboard. I'm pretty sure this works. So great job, Benzie. Go also just edit this. I'll show you in a minute how to. We're just basically testing it. Okay, my Discord's back up. Just go. You can see these commands: add packs, full logger, OG pack debugs. You can just add and mount. I'm gonna just add my get myself badly on. And yeah, I forgot to make an account. So you can just create a host account, which is what you're gonna use to host. And today I'll be using Reboot for this. I'll show you how to get an auto hoster for your project. It's not gonna be Phoenix, it's gonna be another one that isn't very much. I'm gonna just go ahead, create a test account, which automatically just gives you full login info. I just go here, copy all this information, paste it into you. Yep, this is gonna be your host account, so just copy everything, paste it, and yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to make your redirect yellow. Actually, that you'll need. So it redirects to your backend. Again, just get Solarium and download the Visual Studio IDE probably, preferably. Just download the community version or just insiders. And you'll need the latest build tools. Let me just show you what you're kind of gonna have to look for. You go to installer, modify. Yeah, you just need desktop development C++. Um, You don't need this. I think you just need this and build tools, which you can just get. Yeah, you need MSP build tools. I'm not gonna explain this much. You just need the x64, x86 build tools. Just the latest 143. Yeah. I just go to Tellurium, basically. Let me just extract my Tellurium to my folder. Just extract it. If you need to slow out this video, then yeah. So now just open the .sln file. Go to radmin. Copy your address basically. Or if you don't know, you can just right click it too. Go to options.header, which is options.h, and you're gonna look for this. Just change it to your RAM and IP right here, and your backend port if you change it, of course. So if you change it to like 8080, just put 8080. But since I'm gonna leave at 3551, yeah, just leave it like. All these are not like necessary if you don't know what you're doing. So just hit save all and go to here, release, build solution. Yeah, now you have your redirect yellow, which will be the Tellurium. So now we're gonna use this on reboot. It's right here. Just put it in the main folder. So let's go internal files, settings, internal files, and here's where you're gonna put an authenticator patcher, your redirect. Yeah. So we're just gonna test this out real quick. I'm gonna also just host to show y'all that matchmaking works and the queues work. Oh guys, and I forgot. Yeah, you can just get an OG Sorry guys, I had to start with this. Let's get a build from Carbon builds. Here from Carbon, here, 444, which I'll leave linked specifically. But sorry for not mentioning it earlier. And yeah, it has basically every version, but I preferably use Fort Forge for this. And yeah. I'm gonna show you in a minute how to change this reload text, basically, to your party name or whatever you want to name it. I don't know. Connecting to reload, and now it should boot up. Yeah, this includes arena and tournaments. The playlist, at least, I do not recommend using tournament. So as you can see, it's just pinging for the leaderboard, which is useless as hell, and it just lags out your backend. So I just recommend removing this because it doesn't have, at least this backend doesn't have it. Leaderboard history support. Battle Pass should work if you buy it. But I already have a reskin since this is a test account. So I'm gonna show you how matchmaking works, it's probably still gonna lag. I don't know why I tried entering it. Yeah, so matchmaking works. Chapter 1, and this is basically chapter 2, season 5. So I'm pretty sure it also works on chapter 2, season 8, 7, 6. But disclaimer, I don't recommend 6 since it's unstable as hell. So, yep. I'm gonna show you guys how to change the text basically and the images. So, let's go back. You can go to responses folder, content pages. Here you can just change the messages. If you use Visual Studio Code like me, which is preferred, you can just go reload. And you can search for anything that says reload, better reload, and you can change it. Obviously not everything like this, you can't change it, just don't change it. For some reason it breaks it, I'm pretty sure. Default key.any, this is important. Just hit replace here, replace the text by right clicking and replacing all. This don't change it. None of this. All theme don't change it to. Campaign don't change it. Collection. Just don't change all this. Is how you can just change strip. I mean, yeah, you can change this. It's for Discord bot. You can also change this or this times. But bam. Okay, so now actually, if you want to change that image that's gonna be on screen right now because I forgot to say it. Just go to, I think, I'm pretty sure MOTS, MOTD, which is gonna be, I forgot what this at. I'm scared to reload in a fat minute. Yeah, just search on mod MOTDs. Yep, this right here, just search up MOTD. Here you can just change this image. I'm gonna show you how. It's basically the image and the text you want to put. I'm just put welcome to Reddit. You can just change the description of it. Just hello skaters. You can just change the link, of course, and it's the button. That's what skate Discord. I'm going to put my Discord, which I recommend you joining. It has a lot of resources like backends, game servers, matchmakers, you name it. This is where I'm gonna archive all of them. I'll misput this here. Link. Okay, I'm gonna stop wasting time. Basically, just use image BB. I don't know, whatever you want to use. For Anger, just get the link. Don't copy it if it looks like this. Just right click on it, open image in new tab, and you copy this link. Same thing for Anger. So let's just change this and this. I'm gonna just keep doing the same for this. It just depends on the version. Or the text, if it's a bit better reload, you can find it. Also, you can just search up Benti. Yeah. Just don't take credit for making it, just dodge questions if people ask you. It's horrible if you just take credits for no reason. Yeah, so now you can change the battle pass price by just doing your version number, which I'm gonna just put season 15 as 15. You can just probably find it, I think. No, never mind. Just search up battle pass. Straight up search for it, battle pass. Okay, catalog.json. Just look up S15. There's no season 15. Read that. You see season 5. If you can search up something like this, like me. Search up this with control.f. I mean control plus F. So if you're doing like chapter 2 season 2, you can just do chapter 2 season 2. That's gonna appear. But yeah. So you just change this regular price. I recommend not doing 0 because it bugs out. Just do something low like 100, 400. Your regular price, just put 100, 100. Base price 100. Uh, yeah, that's practically it. It's just a few changes. So now you can actually hit F1 just to restart the backend. So restarting it. Okay, reload. Gonna change. Don't change the button. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you now how to actually change the Discord commands. So the logos and everything, you can change the description from reload to your project name. So go here. You have to do this individually. Icon you know. You can just change this to whatever project speed. You can change the image URL. Again, like I just told you, or else it won't display. You can just change this. It's very key sensitive, so be careful. So you can just change here in description. Let's go to it, change it. Test account. And here you can just actually change the command. No spaces by the way. And then you can just do this on any other command too. I'm just put test account. Custom matchmaking code. I forgot what this is for. Show you how to use it in another video. Host account creates a host account for Skid app. You can also just rename it. Don't rename all of these, preferably. I'll show you how to do it. Oh, and forgot this. This is what you're gonna look for in each of these commands. In the Discord bot commands folder, admin and user. You can just change. So it project kidding. And change the icon URL here. You can also change the colors kind of. Nice one. So on create.js, you can change it to register if you want or whatever. Register. Creates an account on Skid. And this is the option, just leave it like that. And here is actually you can change the domain right here. Don't forget this little guy. You need him. So just go beside him. Change that. I'm just put skid.dev. And that's gonna be the domain that people that's gonna generate. Here you can just change the colors if you're using VS Code. Or you can just change the hex color code. But since you're probably going to be using VS Code, yep. And again, just change this. Change this for every command that has it. Now we just stop wasting time. And now we're actually going to test if everything worked out. So I'm going to let's add V-Bucks. Just add some V-Bucks to my test account. 1,000. Now we're going to reload the backend, restart. And we're going to launch Fortnite again on Okay, so now you see logging to skid. As we change it and default game.ini. Of course. Okay, at this point, I 100% recommend Visual Studio Code. Guys, it's easy, but don't overdo it. Now I have 1,000 views. Actually didn't change it, so you can just keep looking on, play skid. Okay, tournament, please remove this. I'm gonna show you how to remove this now. It's absolutely trash. I'm not dissing Benzi, but yeah. Scroll down. So you see something like I think I might have missed it, guys. Yeah, over here. Like lines 1000. You can change blue screen image stuff. Okay, just remove all of this, please. Tournament. This is the tournament line below it. Please remove this absolutely garbage thing. I'm not saying it's garbage, but yeah. Just basically do it like that, like I just did it. It's Arena Solo League Marina. You can just put Arena Solo. Also, you can change the poster image. Just do. Let me just make one real quick. Nah, joking, never mind. But yeah, just do the same thing. It has to be wide though, like this. This thing. So, yeah. Also, yeah, Arena works. So I'm gonna just try log in while I do this. Yeah, you can just change the image here, place image. Same thing here. Uh, just don't change anything else. You can just change the name and timeline one. Doesn't really matter. But yeah, please remove the tournament. I'm not gatekeeping. It's not gonna work. It's just gonna lag the whole backend. It's not professionally done. Yeah, just leave event list active like this. The supports chapter 4. But please do not do chapter 4 or chapter 5. But it's not gonna work. Don't blame me when the matchmaker doesn't work, please. So yeah, just we're just we're just gonna save our changes. And this queue is basically maxed out to 1 minute or 2 minutes. I'm also disclaimer, just running the backend once doesn't mean that I have a fully functional project. No, it doesn't work like that. You need a VPS where you can host your backend, and then another one, more powerful one to host your game server. I'm gonna show you how to get a game server and where to hire devs also, if you don't want to skid it, in part 2. But yeah, Master is working now. Let me just start check up that. Welcome to Reload Pets. Okay, let's hear. Break. Save. Ready from hitters. And just change this. Reload again. You can just change all this. Just don't change anything in P-Bucks. Just don't overdo it, please. You can change it for the bot command separately. I prefer to do it by hand. Yeah, you can just copy this if you want to change it. I also prefer giving creds to Benzi Burlon. Better reload. Skipping. Just change all that. All that. The only one that changes is I'm pretty sure. Welcome to Skid. Let me just change all that. Sorry, Skids. I don't know why the matchmaker isn't working. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, because it's tournament. It's trying to call the tournament. I'm pretty sure. I mean, try to with it. But yeah, let's just test the battle pass and test it. Because here, firm should work. Watch out for two. Again, I don't know why it's lagging, but let's try and find the fix. I've been recording for 36 minutes. Wow. So yeah, that's basically it for today. I'll show you how to get a game server and game server dev in part 2, which I'll be dropping probably this week. And let's just test something real quick here. Also, delete my account, refresh, and now you should see if you add the commands properly. It should not say um reload anymore, and now it should say create. Oh, it starts to register. Yeah, I forgot I changed that. Now I should create what? Yeah, I don't know what I just did, but hmm. Yeah, guys, I don't know what I just did. I think my bot just broke. But yeah, I'll show you how to get a game server, how to set it up, and how to find people who can actually make a game server for you. And no, it's not free. So, for that, so yeah, see y'all guys. Please credit the creators in some way of these backends and these game servers if you know what you're doing. Please don't be a mega skid. Don't take credit for all this. Don't be a LARP. So, yeah. See you in the next video.